Hi mis amigas, hello and welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for coming back. It just means so much to me. I really appreciate all of you, and I am just so happy that you guys are here, and I'm just happy that I'm right here filming another video for you guys. In this video I will be showing you guys various things that I'm going to be cleaning around the house, such as my kitchen, my living room, my dining room, and some sort of my room that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So keep on watching. Alright, mis amigas, so right here, if you guys didn't know, I am obsessed with the mixture of vinegar and water. All I do is just simple it is, just add vinegar and water into a spray bottle and just mix that bad boy up, and then it just cleans the surfaces so good, and even the appliances and stuff like that. There's many uses for this that you guys can use, but you guys know I am obsessed and I use it everywhere. So that's what I'm doing right now, just wiping down the countertops. And this, make sure you guys, it gives and leaves the surfaces and the countertops like super shiny and a clean look. Like, I am not even a big fan of this mixture, the smell actually, in fact, but I use it anyways just because it's more non-toxic and it just works so great. So you guys can see right here, I'm using it inside my microwave, and it just works so great, you guys. I just cannot stress it enough. And that's what I'm using, just a rag and just wiping everything away, and it leaves everything so spotlessly clean. Okay, so right here, my daughter, I have to just say thanks to her. She was doing me the honors and helping me film myself cleaning some areas around the house. And thank you guys, thank you so much for that, Mija. I love you. But as I was doing this video, you guys, I wanted to just tell you that it's probably, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's gonna be looking a little bit blurry. Hopefully, when you guys see it on your end, it's not looking like that. But I do apologize. I don't know what's going on with my camera, and I'm just noticing that right now. So I am so sorry about that, and I am aware that this is happening. So I am aware. So yeah, you guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just simply using the same solution, vinegar, water, and just rubbing it all over, cleaning it, and it leaves it so clean. I just love this mixture. Okay, so right here, as you guys can see, those that remember, I never in my room had a dresser, so I am so grateful for this. I got a white one, and this one is from IKEA. So it did come with the glass on the top. I don't know if you guys can see that, but what I'm doing right now is I just took all the drawers out, and this was actually filmed like a while back when I got this dresser. I never got the chance to go ahead and just post it and show it to you guys, but I thought this was a perfect timing so you guys can see it. And here I am just using disinfecting wipes, and one by one every drawer just wiping it inside out, everywhere, top to bottom, all the creases and stuff like that. But yeah, I am so grateful that I have this dresser now, just because that I'm able to put like extra clothing in here and accessories and stuff like that, whatever I decide. But I am just obsessed. I cannot stress it enough how grateful I am that I found this dresser. And luckily, it was here in town. Unfortunately, where I live, I don't have an IKEA nearby. I think it's like 2.5 hours away from me. But yeah, this was my one of my goals to get, and I did it, and I got one, so I'm happy. So that's what I'm doing right now, just cleaning it away. So right here, this little room right here is my office. I know it's kind of looking a little funky with stuff, random stuff everywhere, but I recently got this desk at, I believe, Target, and so it's really brand new. I literally got it like last month. It was on sale and I had to get it. I've been eyeing this desk for such a long time and I got it when it was on sale. So I'm happy that I have it there. But yeah, this office does need a lot of help. I haven't had the chance to even decorate it or anything like that of my liking because, I think everything goes slowly, baby steps, and I will get there. But yeah, what I'm doing right now is just wiping it away because there was some dust on it and just putting some stuff back. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, mis amigas, so this is it of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of a little bit different. I kind of put in a lot of various spaces around the house that I cleaned. So I really hope you guys like that. Let me know what you guys thought on the comment sections below, just to see. I would like to see your guys' comments and feedback and stuff like that. So that's it about this video, guys, and I hope you guys like it again. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye.